Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're doing well in your homes. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cook couscous, a pure Moroccan Maghrebi dish of steamed semolina traditionally served with vegetables and meat. In Morocco, it's a custom to have couscous for lunch every Friday, and all family get together to eat this delicious healthy dish. It can be made with wheat semolina as well as semolina of other grains. In today's recipe I have used corn fine semolina. As you see, first step to make couscous is to prepare your vegetables. Peel and slice all the vegetables in large pieces. Here I have used carrots, tomatoes, onions, pumpkin, turnip, cabbage and green chilies. You can include other vegetables that you like, radish, eggplant, zucchini, depends of what you have, what you like. I personally prefer to include radish, but as it's not available, I skip it. Now let's go to cook. In this dish you need a Moroccan couscous pot. You will use the bottom piece of the pot to cook the meat and vegetables and the top part to cook the couscous. First fry little onion in olive oil, add garlic ginger paste, then tomatoes and fry for a little moment. Then add the root vegetables which takes time to cook like carrots, radish or turnip. You can include chickpeas. It gives an awesome taste to the couscous along with other vegetables and also meat. In my dish I decided to skip meat. You can add chicken, mutton or beef. After adding vegetables, adjust salt and pepper according to your taste. Pour little water necessary to make them cook or any broth you have. In the meantime, prepare your couscous, and this is my favorite part because I love to use this traditional part in which we mix the couscous with olive oil and water. You can use any bowl you have in your kitchen, no worries. Add a little water on the top of couscous. Rub and rub very well between your fingers to remove any lumps. Make sure all grains got soaked in water. Then transfer it to the couscous pot and steam it for about 15 minutes 3 times. And this is first time. and make sure you seal both parts of the pot just not to lose any steam. Now empty the couscous in the bowl, rub it in your hands, add water, olive oil and salt, mix and rub all again. Time to steam the couscous corn for the second time and make sure your root vegetables are cooked. Add water if needed. Third round for couscous, repeat the same thing again with couscous and at the same time add other vegetables to make them cook. Here I have added pumpkin and cabbage. Cover and go to your couscous. Rub again, add water and make it steam for the third time for about 15 minutes. Our couscous is ready. Put as much as you want to eat in a plate. Place your vegetables on the top and take your time to place them nicely. And don't forget to add a little broth to the couscous. It's done. I hope you like the video. Hope you try it in your home, especially for those who loves cornmeal, especially for those who are on a gluten-free diet. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Assalamualaikum.